I'm Wei. I'm from Taiwan for the Zeno bicycle components. Today I want to introduce you the Speed Link. The Speed Link, it's a new innovation parts for the hydraulic brake. These small parts can replace the hydraulic needle and the olive, just these parts. You can tie down it on the lever or the caliper, and then just put hose direct plug in and tie this nut, and it's done. On the other hand, we have the other 5 parts. With these 5 parts, you can have more combination, and it's covered maybe 80 to 90% caliper on the market. So it's very simple. You don't need to have 20 or 30 more different standard parts. The other hand, these parts can be reusable. When you're building a new bicycle, when you check the length, you just cut it and put into the right length you need. So you don't need to scrap the parts when you check the length. And for the shops, these case, you just need 8 parts. You don't need 20 or 30 parts, so save more money for the stock. We are here to show how the Speed Link works. First, you take these small parts and tighten the M8 thread on your lever, and then you just get your hose here and just push in. Then you just take a wrench. Normally this work on bicycle were easier. And just tighten it on. And it's done. You don't need olive or needles. And when you want to assemble it, it's also very easy. You just put the wrench and untie it, plug off, and it's done. For the other brake needs, you just change different adapters. Like this one is for banjo. Tight here, tight on, and the same, plug in again, and you can have a banjo head with your calipers. You can find these products on our websites. It's zeno.tw. Thanks.